Good morning, my dear students. Have a cheerful morning to everyone. Let's start today's maths period with the remaining part of exercise 2.2a. Okay. In yesterday's lecture, we have seen first 3 questions of this exercise. Today, we are going to solve the remaining questions. That is from question number 4 onwards. See, question number 4 is find the value. Find the value of the given examples. Now see here. First example is 1 by 3 raised to 3 into 3 by 2 raised to the power 2. So we have to find value of this. This is rational number. It's called base and 3 is the exponent. Here multiply by 3 by 2. This is base and this is the exponent. Okay. So 1 by 3 raised to 3 means what? 3 times multiplication of 1 by 3. So that we are going to expand 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Multiply by this, multiply by 3 by 2 raised to the power 2. That means 2 times multiplication of 3 by 2. Okay. Done. Now reduction. Let us reduce numerator and denominator wherever it is possible. See here, this 3 and this 3 divisible by 3 itself. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. This 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay. This much only. So here in the numerator 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 1 upon 12 is the value of this example. Understood? Next. Minus 2 upon 3 raised to 4 into minus 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. So here let us expand this. 4 times multiplication of minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. Multiply by 3 times multiplication of minus 3 by 4. Okay. Over there, let us reduce the numerator and denominator. Let us divide the numerator and denominator wherever possible. See now here, this 2 and 4 are divisible by each other. Okay, or they have common factor which is 2. Here minus 2, the minus 2 divided by 4. So here 2 1s are 2 and this minus 2 2s are 4. Correct? Again. These 2 and these 2 also divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, that is minus 2. 2 ones are 2. Finish. Now these 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again these 2 ones are 2, that is minus 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Then coming towards the 3. These 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, minus 1. And 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. And this also 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, minus 1. Understood? So now see in the numerator what is remain? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Likewise 7 times. So 7 times minus 1. What will be the answer? Any power of 1 gives answer 1 only, but it's depend on the odd or even, whether it is negative or positive. So here 7, negative 1 is there and its power is 7 which is odd. That's why here minus 1. We have seen that this fact. Okay. And in the numerator we have 3 into 1 into 1 into 4 into 1 into 1 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. That is 3 4s are 4 3s are 12. Minus 1 by 12 is the value of this example. Okay. Third one. Minus 1 by 5 raised to the 3 into minus 1 by 5 raised to the power 2. So here minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 3 times into here 2 times minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. Here there is no any numerator and denominator which are divisible, which have common factor. Okay, so that's why I multiply directly. Minus 1 multiplication of minus 1 5 times. That's why answer is minus 1. Okay, upon 5 5s are 25 5s are 125, 5s are 625, 625 5s are 6 5s are 30, and 5 5s are 125, 3125. Okay, 3125. So minus 1 upon 3125 is the value of this example. Okay, so in this way we have to find value of given exponential forms or given rational number which are in exponential form. Understood? Now pause this video, write these 3 examples. We will see 2 more examples in this question. Last two. Question number 4th and 5th you will solve. We will see now 6th and 7th example. See now example number 6. Remember example number 4th and 5th you have to solve. Okay. Example number 6. Minus 1 by 5 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 raised to the power 85 into 2 by 5 raised to 2. So let's expand this. Minus 1 by 5 raised to the power 3, that means 3 times multiplication of minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 raised to the power 85. So what is the value of minus 1 raised to the power 85? Are you going to write minus 1 85 times? No. Here the fact which we have learned, if minus 1 has odd power, its answer is minus 1 itself. Correct? It is odd number. Last digit is 5, that's why it is odd number. So when minus 1 or negative 1 has odd power, its answer is minus 1 itself. If minus 1 has any even power, then its answer is positive 1. Remember this. Once again I am repeating. Okay, so here minus 1 raised to the power 85, its answer is minus 1 itself. Okay, into 2 upon 5 raised to 2, that's why 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5. Okay, so here in the numerator there is 2 into 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Here 4 times minus 1. 4 times minus 1, that is minus 1 raised to 4. That's why its value will be positive or negative 1? Positive 1. So that will be 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4. Upon 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125 into 5 625 into 5 3125. So the answer is 4 upon 3125. Understood? It's very simple. The 7th one. See a 7th one example. In the box bracket, minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3 plus 7 upon 25. Bracket complete. Divide by 5 by 2 raised to the power 3. Means to this example. If this example is divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, so first let us solve the bracket as usual. Now in the bracket we have minus 3 upon 5 raised to the power 3. That's why it will be written as 3 upon 5 into 3 upon 5 into 3 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, minus 3 plus 7 upon 25. Divide by 5 by 2 raised to the power 3. Okay. Then here minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 27. Correct? Upon 5 into 5 into 5 125 plus 7 upon 25. Divide by 5 by 2 raised to the power 3 as it is. Okay, now this is addition. Here see, denominator is 125, here 25. Let's make here 125. So minus 27 upon 125 plus 25 5s are 125. So 7 5s. Okay, carry this as it is. Divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to minus 27 plus 7 5s are 35 upon 125 divided by 5 by 2 raised to the power 3. Fine, understood? The next, minus 27 plus 35, 8 by 125. Okay. Now this divide by, division means multiplication by the reciprocal. So it will be 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. Okay. Reciprocal of 5 by 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 by 5 raised to the power 3. So 8 upon 125 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. So here nothing is going to reduce. 8 to the 16, 16 to the 30 to the 64 upon 25, 125 and this 125, 125 into 125. 5 5s are 25 and 12 13s are 156, correct? 156. So answer is 15,625. 64 upon 15,625 is the solution or value of this example. Okay. So in this way we have to find value of this exponential form of the rational numbers. Okay. Now pause this video, write these two examples in your notebook. We will see now remaining. So students, see here question number 5 is find the reciprocal of the given numbers. Okay. See here 16 upon 125. You know reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. So see here the reciprocal of 16 upon 125 is 125 upon 16. Correct? It's simple. Reciprocal of minus 27 upon 64 is minus 64 upon 27. This minus sign, minus sign you can give to numerator or denominator. It's okay. Minus 2 raised to the power 4. Here it will be like this. 1 minus 2 raised to the power 4. Because this minus 2 has denominator 1 and this 4 belongs to 1 also. Okay. And here minus 3 by 7 raised to the power 2. So reciprocal of this is 7 upon minus 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, because why minus 3 upon 7 raised to the power 2 means minus 3 raised to the power 2 upon 7 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this can be written like this: 7 raised to 2 minus 3 raised to 2, and they have common exponent. That's why 7 upon minus 3 raised to the power 2 is the reciprocal. Okay, so these are the reciprocals of the given rational numbers. Write this. After that, question number 6. Question number 6 is evaluate. Evaluate means here they have given one expression b square minus 9 into b minus 1 raised to 2 bracket square, and also they have given value of b which is 1.1. Okay, so how we have to solve this? How do we have to solve this? This value of b 1.1 we have to put in this given expression at the place of b. Okay, b square means 1.1 square minus 9 in bracket b means 1.1 minus this one bracket square is equal to 1.1 square means 11 square. What is square of 11? 121. And since it is 1.1 into 1.1, after decimal point 2 digits are there, so before 2 digits put the decimal. So square of 1.1 is 1.21 minus 9 in bracket 1.1 minus 1. What is 1.1 minus 1? 0.1 bracket square. Okay, so it's 1.21 minus 9 into 0.1, square of 0.1, 0.1 into 0.1, 1 ones are 1, and after decimal point, here 1 digit, here 1 digit, total 2 digits. That's why we need to put decimal point before 2 digits in the answer. So since here only 1 digit is there, here put 0. So it is 0.01. Okay. Again 1.21 minus 9 into 0.01. 9 ones are 9, 9 zeros are 0. So it's 0.09. Okay. Now 1.21 minus 0.09. 1 minus 9 not possible. That's why 11. 11 minus 9 2. Here 1. 1 minus 0 1. 1.12. 1.12 is the answer of this expression. When we have to put value of b as a 1.1. Understood? Pause this video and write this example in your notebook. Now see question number 7, 8. They are multiple choice questions. Okay. Let us solve question number 7. 12 square minus 5 cube into minus 1 raised to the power 20 upon 19 equals to what? So this is given example and it's 4 options of the answers are given here. Out of 4, 1 is correct. Okay, so you have to solve and you have to find the correct answer. So see here 12 square minus 5 cubes. You know 12 square is 12 12s are 144 minus 5 cube is 125. Correct? Into minus 1 raised to the power 20. You know minus 1. When minus 1 has even power, their answer is positive 1. Correct? Upon 90. So 144 minus 125. What is the answer? 19. Correct? 19 into 1 upon 90. So 19 got answer 1. That is option number B. Okay? See here 8th one is the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 2 raised to the 4 divided by 1 by 3 raised to the power 4 plus minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. So first we have to find the answer of this and again we have to find its multiplicative inverse. Let's see. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. That means 1 by 2 multiplication of 1 by 2 4 times. Divide by 1 by 3 4 times. Okay, these are put in the bracket. Plus minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, so let's do this first. 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 twos are 16. Divide by 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9 threes are 27 threes are 81. Okay, plus minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Okay. So first let us divide this. 1 upon 16. Division means what? Multiply by reciprocal. That's why 81 upon 1, which is 81 upon 16. Okay. Plus here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. 2 twos are 4 twos are 8. Okay. So 81 upon 16 plus minus 1 upon 8. Here 8. Denominator is 16. Here 8. So to make here 16 we need to multiply by 2. Okay. Are you paying attention? Yes. So 81 minus 2 ones are 2 upon 16. Which is 81 minus 2 79 upon 16. This is the answer. 79 upon 16 is the answer. We have to find reciprocal. So reciprocal of this is 16 upon 79. 16 upon 79. So that is option number C. Option number C is the answer. Got it? So these are the two MCQs which we have solved here. Now 8th one question, higher order thinking question. What is that? Find the reciprocal of minus 1296 upon 625 and express it in exponential form. First write this rational number in the form of its reciprocal, write its reciprocal, and then convert them into exponential form. Understood? So this higher order thinking question you have to solve by yourself. Okay, so thank you for today and have a nice day.